Why aren't you reaching your fitness goals?
Many people struggle to meet their fitness goals, but it's rarely due to lack of effort. Hidden barriers like unrealistic expectations, lack of motivation, or inconsistent routines can quietly sabotage progress. By identifying what's holding you back, you can create a new path to lasting results. Let's explore the most common obstacles and effective ways to overcome them.
Unrealistic goals and expectations.
Setting goals that are too ambitious often leads to frustration and quitting. It's tempting to want quick results, but sustainable progress is gradual. Focus on realistic, measurable targets, like improving your running distance or increasing your strength over time. Celebrate small wins and remember that lasting change is built on patience and consistency.
Inconsistent routines.
Consistency is key, yet many routines fall apart due to busy schedules or lack of planning. Skipping workouts can quickly become a habit. Try scheduling exercise like any other important appointment. Even short daily sessions are better than sporadic, intense workouts. Build momentum with manageable routines that fit your lifestyle, and don't be afraid to adjust as needed.
Ignoring nutrition and recovery.
Many people underestimate the role of nutrition and recovery in fitness progress. Without the right fuel and adequate rest, workouts become less effective and energy drops. Prioritize balanced meals with enough protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Equally important, allow time for your body to rest and repair, as overtraining can stall or even reverse your gains.
Lack of motivation and accountability.
Staying motivated is tough, especially when progress stalls. Find what inspires you, whether it's setting new challenges, working out with friends, tracking your progress, or joining a fitness community. Accountability partners or group classes can help keep you on track. Remember why you started and make exercise something you look forward to, not a chore.
How to break through and reach your goals.
Success comes from understanding and tackling your unique challenges. Set realistic goals, create a consistent routine, fuel your body, and find support. Adjust your plan when life gets busy and don't let setbacks discourage you. With the right approach, reaching your fitness goals is possible. One step, one workout, and one healthy choice at a time.